Social behavior. Last class we discussed about social attitude. This class is about social behavior. Behavior means individual or the person, how he interact or how he show his or her character in the public area or in the social places or in the public area. How will be the person will be showing their behavior or character or interaction with the public. It may be institution or organization or working organization or places or the community areas like that. There's different social areas or social places. Okay, today I focused on social behavior, the individual or the person's behavior in the institution or in the organization that is necessary for your nursing study. Okay, social behavior today topic. Next, contents to be discussed. Today contents are meaning. Okay, meaning of the social behavior and psychologist. One of the psychologist he conducted on study regarding the social behavior and opinion about the social behavior. That is a psychologist. Next, factors of individual social behavior. What are the factors involving or what are the factors involved of the individual social behavior, person's behavior, and fundamental concepts of social behavior. Concepts of social behavior, what the fundamental rights or fundamental content of the social behavior. First one, meaning. Meaning, the social behavior is considered to be a complex phenomenon which is difficult to be defined in absolute terms. Okay, it is very difficult. It's not really simple matter. It is very difficult to define. And difficult to give the meaningful sentence in the social behavior. Okay, this is not very easy understandable word. Social behavior, it is very complex. All the characters, all the interaction of the person that will involved in this social behavior. Okay, it is not only the external feelings or not only the internal feelings, it is combination of both. Okay, when individual is response means, okay, he has to suggest or has to use their internal feelings before starting interaction, before talking with anyone. You have to use the internal feelings, internal thoughts, internal ideas, internal sketch. After that, you have to express their feelings in front of the others. Behavior, that is showing the behavior, showing their character interaction to the other, that is external. So this is the combination of individual response to external and also internal stimuli. Okay, this response, external response and internal response by the individual, it is reflect in the psychological nature of a person. It is result in indeed combination of biological and psychological process. It is completely biological process and also psychological process. Okay, psychological process, it for example, person's feeling, person's mood, person in the depression mood or active mood or manic, like that. It is psychological, that is depending on the person's mood. Biological means how the person is interact. Okay, how the person will be the interact with the group, in the social places. That is the meaningful sentence or meaning of the social behavior. Psychologist Kurt Lewin. Okay, I told in the beginning that's the one of the psychologist or one of the famous psychologist. He believed or he conducted on study and he conducted on research about the social behavior, how the human behavior, how the individual behavior in the institution or in the social context, in the institution or in the organization. What are all the factors affected, what are the factors involved. First of all, the psychologist Kurt Lewin has conducted considerable amount of research into the causality of human behavior grounded in social context. Okay, that is the psychologist Kurt Lewin conducted on study. But that is okay. Next, he believed that the pattern of people's social behavior is influenced by number of genetic and number of environmental factors. Now, next slide, I will tell one by one what are the number of genetic factors and what are the environmental factors. See, psychological contract. Okay, psychological contract. First of all, use the term psychological contract. Psychological contract is formed between the employer and the employee. When people begin a working relationship with an organization, people newly joined person. Okay, newly joined employer is started working the new organization. For example, for this psychological contract, I'm giving one example in educational context. Okay, in educational context means in educational organization. For example, in institution, a faculty newly joining in the college. Okay, a faculty newly joining faculty join in the college gets into a contract with the institute for serving the institution for a specified time frame. Okay, gets into contract with the institution, contract base 2 years bond. Within these 2 years or within this 3 years bond, I will be serve my best into the to the institution purpose. Okay, that is the contract, that is the psychological contract. They fix newly joined faculty, they fix it in the mind, or 2 years, 2 years in the specified time frame, specified 2 years time, I have to work in this. Within this time schedule, I have to show my attitude and show my behavior, good behavior, like that. They may fix the time. The psychological contract refers to a overall set of expectations that individuals tend to hold with respect to their contribution made toward the institution, and institution responds to those contributions. So after that confirmation by the newly joining faculty, or 2 years bond, no, okay, I will be work and will give my good service to this institution. Okay, first I have to work to this institution without any expectation. Okay, without any expectation, I will work. Definitely, I will work at the. They will fix my newly faculty. Then the new faculty worker he or she is hard worker. He continuously doing their prompt working, seen by the institutional head or chairman or CEO. They find the faculty working good worker at the, they will find, and they will give some contributions or give some rewards, like that. That is the psychological contract. There is different opinions about psychological contract. It is according to the Kurt according to the Kurt Lewin, psychologist. He believed that this is the psychological contract. On newly faculty, newly joined worker or employee, they will first they will interaction. They will start interaction. There's newly joined, and they will take some introduction about that, and have to do some contract. 2 years or 3 years bond. Within that specific time or specified time frame, the employer have to successfully complete their worker without any expectation. The overall set of expectation that individual means worker toward with the respect to their contribution. Okay, toward you have to give the respect, also have to working 24 hours into 7, you have to show their behavior and show their character in the within their specified time frame. Factors of individual social behavior in the institution. What are the factors of the individual? Okay, when the individual, or when the person or when the faculty start working in the institution or in the organization, what are the factors need to be fulfilled the social behavior? Okay, first three factors: ability, perception, personality. Ability is capacity of the employee, capacity, or how much he work, that is the ability to do the work. That's the first factor. Second one, perception. He perceive all the staffs are equal, or he give the respect to the separate persons. Okay, perception of himself, or personal perception of nambike, believement. Perception is believe, and thoughts, and believe and thoughts, and perceptive. Okay, perceptive and ability to see, ability to hear, and aware of something through the senses. awareness, creating awareness. That is the second factor. First one, ability, capacity of the employer, individual. Next, perception, ability to see, ability to work, ability to hear. Okay, perception, all using the senses. Next, personality. Okay, personality means person's character. Okay, person, there is different types of personality. There is person's character and person's behavior. Okay, what's the personality? Okay, personality, there is different types of personality. I'm showing when and that is individuality. Okay, that's combination of characteristics and qualities of the individual character. Okay, combination of characters, combination of the person's characters and also person's qualities. That's the personality. Capacity, also known as capacity or character, nature of the person. Okay, nature of the person or disposition, temperament. That's the in the that is personality. Okay, these three factors, ability, capacity, perception, personality, these three factors force or move the individual to show their behavior in the institution. That is individual or social behavior. This one. Okay, ability, perception, personality, these three factors start the individual start their start their showing their behavior in the institution, individual or in the social behavior, with the lot of motivation by co-workers, lot of motivation by the co-workers or head of the department, and also institutional behavior and sources, institutional behavior and institutional sources, resources. Okay, resources of money, resources of power, resources of man, that is individual friendship, like that. That is motivation from the others or from the friendship from in the institutional friendships or resources are in the institutional behavior. Institutional has to show the good behavior by mean giving salary within the month of within a fifth date, like that. In the date first, they have to give the full salary, like that. They have to give in the crisis period, in the COVID period, they have to give the full salary, like that. They have to institution have to show their behavior. Okay, that is the these two factors, motivation and also institutional behavior. They force and they will give the individual and social behavior to give the good, better performance. Okay, better performance, it is individual faculty performance. Give the better performance, give the better results, expect better results from the student. The individual or faculty performance, they continuously taking the class, taking the online classes to the students and giving assignment in the online and correction the assignment and conducting the internal assessment test. These are all the faculty performance. Okay, faculty performance, these are the job requirement in the beginning of joining of the individual or faculty. Uh, they they do one signature. Okay, they do done signature on the job requirement of appointment order. That is the job requirement. These are all the job requirements. Correcting the paper, IA marks, giving the IA marks, and correcting something. What all the faculty doing their work, they are conducting the good, they expect the good result from the student. Okay, that is also job requirement. This leads to individual faculty effectiveness. Okay, individual faculty effectiveness. How? The standards academic of performance, the standard academic of performance by the students and by the student, by the learners, that will give the individual faculty effectiveness of the individual working or effectiveness of the individual or faculty working. That will definitely lead to the standards of academic of performance. These are the factors of individual the social behavior in the institution. About this one, the individual here in this cycle or in the flow chart, individual contributes a variety of support to an organization, such as active efforts, skills, ability, time, loyalty, promptness, and so forth. Okay, see, the individual contributes here. This cycle, in this cycle, individual behavior and individual faculty performance, in this box, In this box or in this circle, the individual, the person or the faculty contributes or give their personal timing, their skill, their active efforts, actively working or actively taking the class in the online, or actually conducting the internal assessment test, first and second, third, and actually give the marks and ability to spend the time with the student and giving their personal time in the house night 9 o'clock, 10 o'clock, or 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock. That's time spending their time towards the organization to give the organization support and loyalty, promptness without any cheating or without any missing the questions. They will give all the full marks to the students. Loyalty, promptness to the showing their promptness to the organization, and so forth. In the figure they will show all these things. Okay, the figure they will show all the characters. Result, these contributions, okay, this result, these contributions, okay, students are passed. Okay, these results apparently satisfy various needs and necessities of the institution. Okay, various needs means students are got first class marks or distinction, second class, like that. Student 100% result, 100% result. Okay, the students is okay, organization okay, organizational institution are double okay, or they are satisfying. Now they are satisfying. Okay, good, satisfying. And also students also satisfied. I got full marks, thank god. They are satisfied. Now what is the individual contribution? What is the individual reward? As a reward, the institution provides incentives such as hike in the pay, promotion, and job security to the individual or faculty staff. Okay, after that, after the student achieving a gold medal in the university in the final examination, or institution receives the full fees payment by the student. What is the individual or faculty performance? What's the rate? That is the reward. Reward means incentives, giving some incentives. Oh, in the crisis period, in corona covid period, you're doing a good job, take this incentives amount, take this amount, separate amount, such as, and hike in the pay, that is increasing salary level, pay scale, it is pay scale. And promotion and giving the lecturer to the assistant, lecturer to the vice principal post, or vice principal post to the principal post. And also job security means giving some insurance. Okay, giving some insurance. And 3 years, 2 years bond, they will turn as 4 years bond, like that. They will give the job security to the individual. These are all the individual good behavior result. Okay, individual good behavior result. These are all the factors of individual or social behavior in the institution. You're studying in the institution or in the organization, that's why they are giving this topic, individual social behavior in the institution, in the college, or in the organization. Fundamental concepts of social behavior. What are the fundamental concepts? Fundamental concepts. Okay, these are the concept we need to fulfill the social behavior. This basically, it involves 6 fundamental concepts. For example, fundamental rights of medication, right patient, right drug, like that. This is the fundamental concept of the social behavior. It is divided into 2 stages. Nature of the people, it is based on the people nature of persons, individual persons behavior. And also nature of the organizational behavior, such as first one, nature of people. Okay, nature of people or nature of individual, nature of person. Individual difference and whole person, motivated behavior, value of the person. Individual difference means the person is different. Individual, there is different from one and each other. It's not equal behavior, equal attitude, equal shape, equal size, not like that. Just difference, individual difference. And whole person, once person start working, they have to use the personal timings, they have to spend with the family, friends, and also personal work, and also organizational work. That is suggested, that told as whole person, complete person, not only 50%, not only the 100% college work or 100% family work. That is complete managed, they have to manage. That is whole person. And motivated behavior, this behavior, the person, the nature of the people, the nature of the person's behavior, that has to motivate it to the student. And value of the person value, that is self-respect. Okay, self-respect. Next, nature of the organization. The nature of organization, social system and mutual interest. Now I'll explain one by one. First one, individual difference, the nature of the person, nature of the person or nature of the individual. See, the individual difference, the different opinions or different characteristics or different physical and mental traits. Traits means characteristics. Okay, there is different from each other. Okay, apart from physical difference, individuals differ related to their psychological traits such as intelligence, attitude, aptitude, motivation. In first year psychology, I already studied this: intelligence, learning capacity, motivation, perception, attitude. These are all the changes by person to person. Not is equal to all the person. It is father and son or mother and daughter. Others, that is same. That's different from person to person. Okay, psychological trait, intelligence is different, attitude is different, motivation is different, perception is different from individual to individual. This belief that each person is different from all others is typically called the law of individual difference. Okay, it is completely, we call it as law of individual difference, the first one. Okay, this is the first concept, this is the first fundamental concept. You have to know this one, individual difference. So this person is good, why that person is bad, think that one, that is the individual difference. Okay, that's the individual difference. You have to know why this person is good, this person is bad. Okay, this person is cool, this person is very oddly behavior, I'm not like that. Don't tell like that. There is a individual difference. There's completely difference from person to person. That's the first concept of nature of the people. Next, a whole person. A whole person. Though it appears that the institution only deploys the employ individual skill, intelligence, in real sense, they tend to employ the whole person in entirety. Okay, they tend to employ. When the student join the institution will start the study, they have to manage both family and also college lecture principals. For in simple sense, for simple meaning, is personal life. The personal life cannot be separated from his work life, I mean organizational institutional life, and personal life. Okay, personal life, work life, they have to manage both. Personal life 50%, work life is 50%, they have to manage is equal to 100% complete total human beings. That is the whole person. Okay, that's the whole person or institutional complete work. Okay, I have to remind that, you have to know the person has to manage this one, not show the frustration in the office work on the home, not show frustration of the office work in the home. People are in the mother on the mother father like that. Office work is office work, finish 9 to 5 college finish, and 5 to still morning 9 o'clock is the home. Like that you have to feel. Motivated behavior. Motivated behavior, the feel of inner urge of faculty or employee to satisfy a particular need motives him to do an act. This motivation is maybe it could be a positive or negative. Okay, it is essential. Motivation is one of the component. It is essential, it must. Without motivation you cannot pass the course. Without motivation you cannot do anything. With motivation, with taking motivation from the Abdul Kalam thoughts, or some of the good person thoughts, Abraham Lincoln thoughts, like that. You taking the motivation or taking motivation from the you by your father behavior, like that. You taking that one, you will definitely will pass in the exam. You will marks good score. This institution can show to its employees how certain action will lead to increase their need fulfillment. With taking these motivational thoughts or motivational behavior, motivated persons actings or movies when seeing the movies of the motivated person, now you develop, our institutional employees are develop their motivation and give their good work to the institutional fulfillment. Value of person, this concept is ethical philosophy. Okay, ethics. Okay, before talking anyone in the public area, hey come here, what is the time anta keltira, no, you cannot ask like that. Okay, when you're waiting for the bus, when you ask the time for someone, hello sir, what is that time sir anta keltira, give the respect. That is ethics. Okay, you will definitely will give the respect in the public area. That's ethics. You have to maintain some ethics. That's the dignity, that show your dignity, self-respect or dignity. Okay, you have to treat the person with their dignity. They have their own dignity and their own respect. Even beggar also, the beggar also their own respect or their own dignity. They will not ask money to anyone. All the persons, they are not asking money. That is the value of the person. Next, in the nature of the organization, social system. Okay, social system, social organization or social institution. This is a group of independent and interrelated elements forming an unified whole. Unification. In context of an organization, the individual of a society are considered as a system organized by characteristic pattern of relationship, having a distinctive culture and values. It is also called social organization and social behavior. In the social system, when you are the, for example, you are the Christian. When the social system, they are Hindus. They are start doing the Ganpati puja like that. There is different doing the different pujas. You are the person, you are the Christian or you are the Muslim. For example, I'm giving only example. You are the another caste. They are called. They will call on the day of Ganpati festival. Ganesha Chaturthi festival. They call Andre. You have to go and have to show your distinctive culture and values. Okay, you have to maintain your personal culture. You have to give respect to your personal culture. In the Quran, the Bible, is not like to treat only one God and they will not go. Will not to go to the Ganesh. Not like that. You have to involve in the social system works. Social system, or you have to give respect to your social organization. That is decide your social behavior. When they call, okay, they will definitely they will call to the any festival, any Christmas festival. Oh, I am the Hindu, I will not go. Not like that. I will not go. I am the Hindu. In the Bhagavad Gita, they are not. They are writing not to go to that festival. And the brother, I will not go to. No, don't like that. That is culture. That religion is separate. You have to give respect to your social behavior. They are paying to you. That's why I have to give some organizational respect. I have to show your behavior in the social system. Okay, not only the festival. Take the another examples. I'm only taking that example for your understanding. Next, mutual interest. Institutional relationship are most likely to be strong if different groups can negotiate strategies. This can be defined as an interest that are common to both the parties and related to the accomplishment of their respective goals. This space for sharing ideas build trust. Individuals who have shared mutual interest are likely to make their institution the strongest because even their views are different. They have shared they have shared concern for similar objectives. Okay, mutual interest is the nature of organization. Okay, mutual interest, interesting. There is combination of interest to person. Okay, mutual interest card, that is called paraspara asakti. Okay, interest in doing some work are showing the same interest or success leading a similar objective. For example, in the organization, in the institution, principal will tell like that tomorrow is the internal assessment. First I have to conduct first year, second year, third year, fourth year. Principal will tell like that to all the coordinators. Tomorrow is internal assessment. You plan that one. The all 4 years or all four coordinators, class coordinators, they have to show their mutual interest. Okay, they have to conduct. They have to start examination. They have to show. They have to obey the principal order. Have to follow the similar objectives. They have to fulfill their objectives. Have to succeed their objective by showing their mutual interest. That's the in the nature of an organization. There is showing their social behavior, mutual interest to the leading the sharing the ideas how to conduct the IA. That is the sharing the ideas and sharing their mutual interest. They have to share. Okay, share to fulfill the institutional objectives. That's the mutual interest. This is about the fundamental concepts. First one, nature of the people and nature of the organization. Okay, in the nature of the people there is 4 steps, and nature of the organization is the 3 steps. 2 steps, social system and mutual interest. Next, conclusion. This is about social behavior. Don't make confused. This is one of the very interesting topic. How the person or individual show their behavior in the institution or in the personal life. Okay, how to manage the social behavior, that's the fundamental concept. How to manage their behavior in the social activities. There's individual difference, there is whole person, there's value of the person, you have to give the value to the person, and nature of the organization, that is the social system. You have to obey the social orders, you have to show social behavior, and mutual interest, you have to show the interest, equal interest to the all the workers based on your co-workers interest. It's about conclusion of the today's topic, social behavior. Any doubts, go back through the slides and listen once more and clarify your doubts. If you have any doubts, ask your doubts in or put your questions in the comment box or in the chat box. Okay, thank you for watching this video.